Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Vari ComfortEdge electric height adjustable standing desk, a game changer for your home office setup. This desk, measuring 72 by 30 inches, boasts a sloped ergonomic front edge designed to enhance comfort by reducing pressure on your forearms, elbows, and wrists during long hours of use. With its stable T-style legs and pre-installed frame, assembly is a breeze, allowing you to enjoy smooth sit-to-stand transitions from 25 to 50.5 inches, thanks to its quiet motor and 4 programmable settings. The desk's durable construction features a 3D laminate desktop that's easy to clean, with flat edges on the sides and back, and a 50mm radius on the front corners, ensuring both style and functionality. It supports up to 180 pounds and includes a strategically positioned monitor arm cutout for seamless accessory integration, making it perfect for working, writing, or gaming. As a trusted brand in standing desks and office furniture, Vari backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring you get the best in quality and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.